Yo, what's up? How you doing, guys? I'm Damian from the Monkeys. If you don't know, I opened this YouTube channel 6 years ago. I used to live over 10 years in Southeast Asia, mostly in Bali, but also half year in Bangkok. 3 months in Bangkok, actually. Little bit in Malaysia, and so on, traveling into 4 continents, and recently with my Balinese wife living in Poland since last 2 years. And now I'm in Szamotuły. Szamotuły is a small city, about half-hour drive from Poznań, where I live. And that's how does it look like. Szamotuły. Not easy name, not even for Polish people. But pretty nice city. Why is so white here? Oh, much better. We'll show you around. Time is going definitely much slower there in this city, actually, because there's the Christmas tree with no decoration. However, they still light some Christmas decorations here and there. So that's actually something different. But the old town is pretty nice, I have to say, like for the very small town. Check this out. I'm gonna change the lens. Pretty nice architecture still, a little bit from the Christmas. What is very surprising for me actually is the ice rink here. Check this out. Szamotuły ice rink still exists. So have to wear a hoodie, actually cold. Don't wanna get sick though. 1 degree. January in Poland. Little bit of the city. I mean the market square. Most of the cities in Poland have a market square, which is central markets like, and that's how does it look like. Gonna tell you. Cobblestone roads, some buildings, that's the flag, Poland obviously, and the Szamotuły. The one of those, oh yeah, wind a little bit, okay. And basically life is going slow here. Last time when I was here, the parkings were free. Now they are paid, actually. Or last time I didn't know as they are paid and I parked, but I didn't pay. But that was like 1 or 2 years ago, over 1 year ago, when we were here, actually. Yeah, in 2024. It's 2026 now. Basically, not much is going on in the cities. However, I'm here just for the spin, a little bit for the architecture, because many of those small cities are actually pretty nice, cozy little wee towns. That's the whole point. Actually, this city is small, but it's not so, I don't know what should I say. It's actually looking pretty good. It's small, but looking good. So many nice architecture, so many nice buildings. Like so many small things what make this city special. Like, look at this one, this old building with the architecture like this one. I don't know what is it, but it's still pretty dope. And then you have a statue, some Christian statue over here. Here you go. And then you have, for example, this old tower with the clock, which is actually, and then you have next to it, you have the small thingy for the water. Of course, doesn't work, but long time ago you could pump and the water was going off and you could drink it. That was drinkable water. It's like a small things, but makes this city looks different. Actually, kind of like Szamotuły. Small town outside of Poznań, about 30 kilometers from the Poznań, from the West Poznań, from the airport area where I live. This is it. Looks pretty decent though. Winter is actually like this one. The snow is gone. However, in the northern Poland where my brother is living and my parents, actually it's still snow. But in the greater Poland state, which is Wielkopolska state, which is where I am and where is the Poznań from, there's no snow anymore. Basically, that's how does it look like. Something is going on there and there. And yeah, the vibe of Szamotuły. One interesting thing what I find out here, I'm going to show you. There is the interesting vending machine. As I used to live in Asia, I saw so many interesting vending machines, but this one is different. Kinda very Polish one, I could say. Check this out. So you can go actually there for the ice rink. Everywhere around you can park the car. There's some coffee shops and stuff like this, but mostly things are closed today on the what is it called, on Sunday. That's very also interesting. This is the stand for the bicycles, but with the local paintings, actually nice, very interesting. And this is what I'm saying, Ceramica 24. Like, this is the porcelain, actually vending machine where you can buy simply the porcelain. This is something what actually I didn't see before. Yeah, I have to be honest with you. And even some of the positions are taken. Check this out. You can actually kupić product. Let's say I will check how much is this statue cost. Number one. and it costs you 95 zloty. You just pay by card and you just take it home. This is actually cool. Something different, totally different, I'm gonna say. And next to it is the cross, actually. So this is very religious city, by the way. One thing what I would like to notice is I'm looking actually to buy some farmer eggs. Because, you know, in the supermarkets, the eggs are coming from the big farms and everything. Well, farmers also have farms, obviously, but the quality often are better if you're buying from the local farmer. But it's very difficult to buy it, at least in this part of the Poland. But in some other parts of Poland, somebody already opened the jajkomat, which is the ATM vending machine for the eggs. It will be very cool if some of the farmers here in Poznań could do it the same. I believe many people will buy it, even if it will be more expensive than in the, I don't know, supermarket like Lidl and the organic one. Check this out, I just parked the car here and the lady also is making pictures or videos of this vending machine. So like I said, the idea of the vending machine with the porcelain, this is, to be honest, first time I ever see like this. Really, many things, but porcelain, no. And especially in the small town, if you make it maybe in Poznan or bigger city, I could expect, but in the small, like this one. So idea for everybody, for pre-business, for the locals from Poznań and the area of Wielkopolska state, open the jajkomat, which is the eggs vending machine. Definitely people will buy it. And look at this one again, some people searching for it. So like I said, maybe not many people are gonna buy porcelain because that's the porcelain and specific porcelain. However, the idea, you can buy very cheaply the vending machine like this one and just make a deal with the city or with the private property owner and rent the place and keep running. But with eggs, of course, there will be different story. You have to change it quickly and probably organize some sanepid, which is like a Polish version of, I don't know, whatever it's called. It's like taking care of the food and stuff, like quality, blah, blah, blah. Kind of little bit paperwork, but definitely will work out. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I will see you on next video. Let me know which what would you like to see next, perhaps. I know I cannot go to Bali tomorrow and show you from Bali like I used to do for over 1,200 videos. But if you would like to see something from Poland, let me know.